Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are good. My dear students, we are going outside for many things and we are purchasing many things. All the things what we are doing, we cannot remember. We will get variety of experiences. But some of the special events which are special to us, we can remember and we can share with others. So, today we are going to learn one poem. In this poem, one small girl is sharing her experiences with her. The name of the poem is The Looking Glass. Poem number 3. The Looking Glass. And this poem, The Looking Glass, is written by a great poet, Ruth Underwood. Ruth Underwood. What do you mean by looking glass? The looking glass is nothing but a mirror. This is mirror we are using in our daily life to see the reflection of the things, and we can see the faces like this. And this is the one of the common thing which we are using in our life. This is the poem is telling about the looking glass. What is the girl experiences through this? We can see in the poem. The poem is in the page number 49. I will read the poem and explain it. All of you see the book. Every day mummy goes down to the shops and sometimes I go as well. And of all the things we see in town, I would never have time to tell. Today, while mummy was buying some eggs, I waited for her outside, and there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come untied. She stooped to tie it, and so did I. Then we both turned away and both peeped back. I smiled and she did the same. It seemed like playing. She wore a pretty green dress like mine, green stockings up to her knee. And who do you think was that little girl? Why, that little girl, green girl, was me. See the poem, children? Every day mummy goes down to the shops. Mummy goes to shopping every day. Do you think that mummy is going to shops every day? Yes, really. Because mummy is the person who can fulfill the needs of all the persons in the house. She knows what is needed, what is required for the houses. So she has to go for shops every day to buy different things. And sometimes I go as well. We can also go with mummy. You can also go with mummy, but every day you cannot go. Sometimes you can go. When the holidays are there, then only you can go. And of all things we can see in town, I would never have time to tell. And of the things we can see when we go to shopping, we can see many things outside. Different types of the things we can see in the shopping malls or the shops. I would never have time to tell. I would. See here it is written like this, the short form I would. But the full form of this is I would. I would. I would is written like this, I would. We have to read I would. The same way we can say I will. I will, like this. I am going with mummy, but I cannot say everything because there is no time to me to explain. Today while mummy was buying some eggs. Today my mummy was buying some eggs. What do you mean by buy? Buy means purchase. Purchase or to take. To take. We have to buy the things. For buying the things, what is needed for us? Money. We should give money to them and we should purchase from them. My mummy was buying today some of the eggs. Eggs are needed in the house, so she was taking the eggs. I waited for her outside. I was waiting her outside because I don't have any work inside. So I was waiting her outside till my mummy comes. And there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come untied. There, this girl is looking one small girl. She was in the green color dress and her shoelace was untied. Untied means become loose. Untied, become loose. Her shoelace were untied. They were very loose. She stooped to tie it, and so did I. She stooped. What is the meaning of stoop? Bend down. Stoop. Bend down. She stooped. She bent down like this to tie the lace. And when I too started to tie. Then we both turned away and both peeped back. I started to turn back and that in front of me one girl was there. She too started to turn back. When I peeped, she too started to peep. The same thing that girl was doing like me. I smiled and she did the same. When I started to smile, that girl in front of me, she also started to smile. It seemed like playing. It is like a playing games. What I was doing, the girl in front of me also was doing the same thing. That was like a playing the games. She wore a pretty green dress like mine. I was wearing a beautiful green color dress. And the same dress she was also wearing. Green stockings up to her knee. Stockings. Stocking means close fitting covering for foot and leg. Stockings. Stockings. Fitting covering for foot and legs. Children, do you know the stockings? Stocking means like a socks. You are wearing socks with the uniform. But the socks will be till the knee. Only till the knee. But these stockings are not like that. They are almost like a pants. It is covering full leg. Not only knee, full legs. You might have seen some of the girls, those who are in the band, they are using stockings. They are like almost like a socks, but longer than that. She was wearing green stockings up to her knee, and I was also wearing the same thing. And who do you think was that little girl? And who might be that girl? What I was doing, the same thing she was doing, and what I was wearing, the same thing she was wearing. And do you think who is she? Who may be? Why? That little green girl was me. She was nobody else. That little girl was myself. It was me. How it is possible, my dear students? It can be the same girls. One girl is like a other girl. This is nothing but she is looking in the herself in the glass, mirror. See, the mirror. That's why this poem is written like this. The looking glass. In this, in front of me, the mirror is there. I can see myself here in the mirror. The same thing, when she went to shopping, she saw the looking glass or mirror in front of her, and she could see herself in the mirror. So this poem is called as the looking glass. I hope all of you understood this poem. And we can see some of the rhyming words in this poem. In the previous poems, you have learned about the rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words which give the same sounds. In this poem, which are the rhyming words we can see? Well, tell. Outside, untied. Same game. Me. These are the rhyming words which you can see in this poem. This poem is a very good poem. No need to memorize the poem, but write all the names which are given in the notes. I hope all of you understood this poem and enjoyed the poem. Children, learn all the names. Take care of yourself. Bye.